If you've lost access to your Bank of Hawaii account and no longer have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Bank of Hawaii website. Go to the official Bank of Hawaii website. Look for the login section and find the option for account recovery or forgot password. Step 2. Select recovery options. Once you are on the account recovery page, select the option that allows you to recover your account without a phone number. This may include options like email recovery or security questions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ESROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Access your email. Check your email for a recovery link or temporary password sent by Bank of Hawaii. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your inbox. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new password that is secure and memorable. Once completed, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Bank of Hawaii's customer service for further assistance.